Stephen.
And this is Paige.
And we want to invite you to join our online webinars where we'll talk openly and honestly with each other about the different things that we've been through.
And our life-changing events.
And they've got some differences, but also some similarities.
It's like our sports are very different. I shoot.
And I competed on the international stage in Taekwondo.
But we both took the values from sport and applied them to our life and education.
And that helped us to realise our aspirations and have the future that we wanted to have.
And we'd like you to learn from our experiences and our problems and the issues we had to have a successful journey for yourself.
And to be the person that you want to be.
If you feel that this event is something your learners could benefit from, follow the link below to book your webinar now.